So guys, welcome back. Today I want to talk about Owodaily Withdrawal and the processes that you should go through if you want to, withdraw your money from Owodaily. I've been working on Owodaily for quite some time now, and I've been able to, accumulate some amount of money. I was able to beat their withdrawal threshold. So I want to actually show you how to actually withdraw on Owodaily. Although this is actually my first time of wanting to withdraw from the Owodaily platform. This is just a micro tax platform where you get to complete simple tasks and make some money from it. Although you earn in naira though, mostly I focus on bigger project that pays me in dollars. That's why I'm not that active with Owodaily. So sometimes when I'm less busy, I just come over here and complete one or two tasks. And as you can see on my account, I have 5,093 naira on my account, and successfully I was able to complete 140 tasks. Then I was able to invite 8 people onto this platform, of which 2 actively, signed up to the platform. As you can see, Escalate is a lifetime membership. I happen to be a lifetime member of Owodaily. So in today's video, I want to show you how to withdraw your money from Owodaily. So this is actually my first time, so it's going to be a bumpy ride. Just come with me. Let's do this thing together. So if you come over now to Owodaily, but before I proceed, guys, let me quickly introduce myself. My name is Daniel Anthony. What I do on YouTube is that I teach people how to make money online. It doesn't matter where you are coming from, who you are, your geographical location. As long as you are willing and ready to make money online, I can share with you some basic tips and strategies that can actually help you succeed in the make money online space. To actually join the community and show us encouragement for our good work, because we are doing this thing for free, is to quickly turn the subscribe button, hit on the bell notification icon, and hit on all, so that you always get notified whenever I publish a make money online tutorial video just like this one. So still talking about Owodaily. Now, as you can see here on my own account, I've already made 5,000 naira. And if you come over to the wallet section, if you look up this side, you're going to see wallets, then you're going to see deposit and withdraw. What you basically do on Owodaily, like I said, is a micro tax platform where you can complete some basic tasks and make money from it. And you can equally post a task. Let's say you need freelancers to actually complete a task for you, be it maybe to follow you on Instagram, to follow you on Twitter or any other social platform or anything at all. As you can see, all of these tasks. This one say follow me on Boomplay. This one is saying follow my Facebook page. This one is saying Facebook page, follow instruction, blah, 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 join server and verify. So there are different tasks you can actually complete here to make money. And I have been completing some of these tasks, not too active, and I've been able to make some amount of money. And here I want to withdraw. So if you come over now to the wallet section and you go over to withdraw, this is actually my first time of attempting this. So let's see if it works. Okay. So if you, as you can see now, my wallet still 5,093 naira. Minimum withdrawal is actually 5,000 naira, and withdrawal fee is 3%. Owodaily is actually going to charge you 3% to actually, transfer this money directly into your bank account. And you can go through the withdrawal instruction, which is very necessary. You have to put that into consideration. Don't just hurry up and start withdrawing because you have successfully hit the withdrawal limit, minimum withdrawal threshold. As you can see, I haven't withdrawn before. As you can see, withdrawal date, amount, info, payout, and status. No record exists. No record exists. That's because I haven't withdrawn before. So this is actually my first time of attempting this. So now I just have to quickly hit on withdraw. As you can see, it's saying withdrawal confirmation. Your withdrawal will be processed on Friday. Do you wish to proceed? So as you can see, my withdrawal will be processed on Friday, and today is Thursday. That means my withdrawal will be processed tomorrow. So let's see how this thing goes. Let me quickly hit on yes and see what happens next. Okay. So as you can see now, withdrawal have been made. My wallet now is empty. My withdrawal have been sent out. As you can see, amounts that have been sent out is 4,940 naira 22 kobo. So it's even very, very fast. It's very, very fast. Email pending, payout. I think pending confirmation. I think I have to make a confirmation on this. I think enter code. Okay, let me check if any code was actually sent to me either through SMS or email. Okay, I didn't actually get any code via SMS. So let me check if I actually got a code via email. Let me quickly check if any code was sent to me via email. Okay. I think a code was actually sent to me via email. Owodaily withdrawal request approval. So I just quickly have to open the email right now. So guys, take note. This is how you actually withdraw your money from Owodaily. Okay, this is the code. Hello, Daniel Anthony. You are receiving this email because you requested to withdraw your balance on Owodaily. To confirm your withdrawal request, please use the one-time password. That's the OTP code below. So I just have to, retype these numbers here. 634052827. Let me go back to the Owodaily page. Okay, let me quickly hit on enter code. 6340. Okay, 6340. After that, 6340 5827. 5827. Okay, that's the code. Then to confirm withdrawal request, enter the code sent to your email inbox. Okay, I've entered the code. Let's confirm the code again so that we'll avoid making any mistakes. 6340 5827. 6340 5827. Okay, we are good to go. And then I quickly hit on submit. So that's it. I think it have gone through. Let's still scroll down now to confirm. Okay, withdrawal requests have been submitted. Thank you. Okay, this is a notification I just got now. Withdrawal requests have been submitted. So let me check out something again. There is something I need to check. If I'm to go over to available jobs, let me check for available jobs and see. As you can see now, my balance is 00 naira. Before it was 5,000 plus, right? Now it's 00 naira. My payments have been sent out, and I should be expecting it tomorrow, right? Tomorrow being Friday, today is Thursday, so by tomorrow I should be expecting my money. And as soon as I receive the money directly into my bank account, maybe I'll make a video separately on that, so that you guys will, get more proofs and more verification and confirmation. So now you have seen that it's legit. The withdrawal process is legit. I even got a withdrawal request approval email and a one-time code that's to tell that these guys are legit. So my money will be in my account tomorrow. Okay, so let's still see the withdrawal section of the wallet. So now I want to make proper verification in all areas before I call it a wrap on this video. So as you can see now, this is my first ever withdrawal and it's under review. Info under review. Status pending. The withdrawal is still pending. Then if I'm to come over now to this corner section here and check out edit profile, then under edit profile, you're going to find all of my details so that we'll see where the money was going to arrive. This is my phone number. Then this is my bank account details. This is my bank account where the money is supposed to land. So by tomorrow, I should be expecting. This is my Access bank account. As you can see, bank account name Daniel Anthony, bank name. You can even receive your Owodaily money either through PayPal or through Bitcoin. So this is my bank account name and this is my name. This is my bank account number and that's it. So guys, it's very simple and easy to actually do. You can receive your money directly into your bank account and you are right on track. So this I just have to wrap up the video, guys. You see how I actually withdrew this money right in your presence. It worked and everything is fine. As soon as I get the alert, I'll equally come up and make a separate video on that. So this is why I just have to call it a wrap, guys. Do not forget, it's your boy Daniel Anthony. Until meet again next time, I just have to say I love you all. But for now, bye bye and peace.